This is a database from FileMaker Pro 5. It is too old for the current version of FileMaker to open directly. You need to convert it to .fp7 format first. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll walk you through the conversion chain. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your FP5, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. The FP5 file type belongs to the database file category. The data stream is defined entirely by the FileMaker Pro 5 database format. An FP5 file is a database file created by FileMaker Pro 5, a relational database application. It stores data in a structured format, including tables, fields, layouts, and scripts. FP5 files are used for managing and organizing information, such as customer data, inventory, and project details. They are specific to the older FileMaker Pro 5 software. The FP5 file format is a proprietary format designed by FileMaker Inc. It utilizes a specific database structure optimized for the FileMaker Pro 5 engine. The file contains data definitions, record data, layout information for user interfaces, and scripts for automating tasks. The format is not openly documented, making reverse engineering difficult. The FP5 format was designed to be handled by FileMaker Pro from FileMaker Inc. Windows can show the file exists, but cannot perform color space correction or rendering. Windows shows only basic attributes, so full inspection requires database management software. First, use FileMaker Pro. Open the file using FileMaker Pro 5.0, or later, as this is the required application for the database. Next, convert to FMP12. Use a newer version of FileMaker Pro to open the FP5 file, which will automatically convert it to the modern FMP12 format. Finally, use Recovery tool. If the file is corrupt, use FileMaker Pro's built-in recovery function, File Recover, to repair the database structure. I hope you learned something new about this file format. We got to the solution quickly. If speed is what you value, please subscribe for more efficient guides.